Good morning, everyone. I am Frederic Salimi. I am the director of PMCO Pro. Today, I would like to show you how we give expert support to our consultant at client office. So let's start. Everything is start by our website, and it is on EPC365.com. After this training course, if there is a questions, you can put a request form and send it to us. We will give the required answer to your questions. So all our experts, they have access to our web office. They can come to our web office. It's like something like this. And I would like to show you basically what is EPC365. EPC365 is designed by Adobe Academy, and it is powered by Microsoft SharePoint. So Microsoft SharePoint is basically it makes a workspace for company, PMC or pro specialist, vendor, third parties, and contractors. They can all work together, share the documents, assign the tasks to each other, and discuss on document, etc. We'll show you later. So all our consultants, they will go to here first, and they say here view the account. They change their passwords and their photos. The same things should be for company, vendors, etc., and contractors. So we gave them an email account by extension of EPC365, and they can get all the tasks, everything in their email, instead of going to their company email account flooded by non-relevant emails. So they will come here because this is all the people are together. They have a dedicated email. Basically is for sending the email to other experts or saying the task in their work. So all of our experts, they have access to web office, the OneDrive. This is my OneDrive. For example, this one I share it with other people. I can, or the other things are private. So you can create a folder. When you open the folder, you can upload the document and then share it or download it to the document, etc. So one of the good things of Office 365 that, for example, this is an Excel files, and all the people who have access to this web office, they can work on this document and update this all together. It will be saved at the same time. The other things is creations of the team. Team is schedule the meeting with the consultant, with the experts, and discuss about the different subjects. The possibility having a external network VTMR with other people. And also when you are in team, if you register, for example, what I am doing now, it goes to the stream and register, and you can share the video to the other people. So let's start by this web office. I go to the web office, and this workspace we give it to all our people. At the beginning, they work with this workspace, but later we give them a dedicated workspace for them, which have this application here. So the document we discussed about this, you can create a document, you can upload the file, and then share the file. For example, if you want to share this file, for example, with Fabien Salimi, You see here, you share it here, you send, or you send the link. She will receive it and she open the document and work on it. So about the task is very important. For example, if you want to have a new task, for example, you have a question about a task you wanted to give it to me. For example, here you want to put a hazardous area, hazardous area. So you want to you want to give me 2 weeks, and you will assign me or Fabian Salimi. I'm not available, and you want to put it here a file that say, okay, this file I want to. This is the file that I have a question about a hazardous area, and you assign it to Fabian Salimi, and you save it. So when you save this document hazardous area, she knows this and she will work on it. And when she open this task, edit it there, and put her answers or documents, then and put it here, for example, a document response to you, and save it. So when you put when she put here this 100 set is finished, and it's like this. So a status of the task, you can see here there is a, for all the tasks there is a possibility of Gantt chart. For example, you can see what are the things that you gave it here. This one which is black here, and that means closed. These are open. And in general, for example, about late task, if there is no late task here, but if there are the tasks which are late, become here, for example, this one after 31 of the December become red. So you know which tasks are red, late task, oncoming task. So you can manage the task by our system, by EPC365, and that we have here. Calendar is very important. Any events, for example, if you want, for example, to give you can enter an event. For example, here, for example, there is, for example, HSC, for example, hazardous area classification training, and it will start at, for example, tomorrow. Start at 2 p.m. and finish it at 4 p.m. And this is that the trainer put the training materials here. Okay, so that's it done. Okay. So so you see here, it is a hazardous area classification training is given here. When the training is finished, you can edit it, and you can put the questions, answers, etc. here. So calendar is very important to put what are the events and recorded in the system. The other things is about your project management. You know, you can write all the deliverables that you have. For example, here you hazardous area. This is one of your deliverable, and you you start at, for example, you have to make it today, and you want to finish it by in 2 months, and you say okay. So you see, if here it creates for you this one, and then you can export it to Excel, and then you can here record about the risk of these deliverables. New item, you put the risk, you can put the issue, and that's way about the management of the project. About the community, you have the possibility of creating a new discussion, and especially if you have a document and you want for review and comments. For example, you see here hazardous area classification drawing. You want to upload the file, and you say, okay, this is what I created, and I need a discussion because these standards I made it on API 550, but in IP15 it is different. So you click here, and the other people, they can give the answers and discuss about this subject with you. So this is about the community. There is a web link. You can create a new web link. For example, you can create a folder like it's here, and you can create, for example, a new item. For example, here you can put a new item. You put the URL and then save it. It becomes like this. For example, here in training companies, very quickly you are access to this. So, and also there is a contact. You can manage all your contacts by putting their name, etc. Here, the people that you are in your project and you want to discuss with them. If you are in a back-to-back and you want to discuss all of the things, you have it here. So this web office, you can work on it on the business center in the hotel if you are at assignment in other countries, and also possibility have access to team meeting. You can schedule the meeting and discuss with whoever you want. So the for summary, EPC365 web office, change your password and put the Office 365. See your email at least once a day to see what email came to you or given to you. You can OneDrive, you can put all your document. These are applications that wherever you can upload it on your computer and work on it. Possibly you have team meeting, and you can register the team meeting and see the videos in your here, and you can share this with the other people. For example, if I want, for example, these are the things that I created, and if I want to share it, I share it with other people, and this is the link. I copy it and I send it to them, or I can put it in Yammer external network to discuss it with the other people and get the information from them. So this is the whole things that I would like to show you. I think, I hope that you can, and there is a guide from Microsoft, Microsoft guides how the different OneDrive works, Excel online, and the other application. You can get familiar with this. So everything is in your hands for to work all together. Company, we give the same account to company representative, our experts, vendor representative, third party, and contractor representative, and all our staff are available and they can work together. We have on the top side certain workspace as an example on different phase of the project, how you manage it, how you, for example, if there is a safety critical element, how you manage it. This is for a specialist, maybe you don't use it, but there is the things that you can use it for your work, for example, for HSE, process safety management system, etc. So I think my presentation is finished. I hope you have a very good time. And I repeat again, if any questions you have, you can put it in this request form, and put the subject that you want to you have a problem, and the subject. And here there is a video that you can see everything that you need for as information. So have a good day, and I wish to talk to you in near future.